Remote work isn't just a trend anymore, it's a full-blown transformation. No commute, full flexibility, and control over your space. Yeah, that's the dream, but here's the truth. Finding your first work-from-home job can feel like wandering through a digital jungle. Between scammy listings and confusing job titles, it's easy to get lost before you even start. So let's clear the path. If you want to land your first remote role, here's what actually works. Step 1, speak the language. Terms like remote, telecommute, virtual, and work from anywhere don't all mean the same thing. Understanding the difference can literally double your job leads. Step 2, know your value. List out your skills, both technical and soft. Are you organized, a good communicator, or great at using tools like Google Workspace or Slack? Perfect. Remote-friendly roles in customer service, writing, social media, and virtual assistants are calling your name. Step 3, tailor everything. Your resume, your cover letter, even your portfolio, they should scream, "I thrive remotely." Mention specific tools, remote experience, and soft skills. This is how you stand out. Step 4, use the right job boards. Flex Jobs, We Work Remotely, and Just Remote are gold mines for legit listings. Avoid general job boards and always read the fine print. Step 5, network like it's your job. Remote roles often get filled through DMS, Slack intros, and Reddit threads before they're even posted. Get visible, get engaged, and get connected. And step 6, keep it tight. Use tools like Notion or Trello to track every job you apply to. The more organized you are, the more momentum you build, and trust me, that's half the game. Want the full step-by-step breakdown? I've linked the complete guide in the description. No fluff, just clear direction and smart strategy. Whether you're changing careers or chasing freedom, this is your roadmap. Hit that link, start applying, and let's get you hired on your terms.